Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video is about making a friend video of your friend. First one, logging the app in your web browser. I given the link in below the description. Now sign in with Google. Choose a Gmail. One Gmail choose. Final continue. Now you can see home page this app. Then click plus mark here. Now you can see 4 categories in this app. First step, open the mix category. Okay, now you can see 2 templates under the mix bar. Now click add video. Upload the video. Now come into your gallery. Select one video. Okay, now click done. Next choose character. Upload. Select one image from your gallery. Okay, now click create button. Okay, wait in 1 minute. Generating process. Okay, finally make the Trump dance video. Now finish. Click the video. You can download the video here. Okay, let's see the second option. Click the multi tab. Now add the templates. Okay, click the confirm. Okay, now you choose 2 characters. I choose Ronaldo. My other character is my favorite Trump. Okay, now click create button. Okay, wait in 1 minute. Generating process. If you like the video, please subscribe. Comment below what you want to see in the next video. Goodbye.